Good morning. It is summertime now. This roadside sunglass seller is waiting for his customers. This is a normal scene during summer. We are on Kolhapur Gargoti Road. As you leave Kolhapur and pass by Katyayani and travel further a few kilometers, you have the small ghat section. Beautiful view of mountains and surrounding. Though this route is through villages, it is a smooth drive. You can enjoy this ride. Gargoti is about 56 kilometers from Kolhapur and Bidri is about 30 kilometers from Kolhapur. It is on the way to Gargoti. There are two rivers, Dudhganga River and Vedganga River. As you know, this area is blessed with two rivers and good irrigation. Sugarcane farming is the main activity in this region. You may find few jaggery production plants on the way. From the river bridge, you can see that big chimney. That is Shri Dudhganga Vedganga Sahakari Sakhar Karkhana or Bidri Sugar Factory. Sahakari Sakhar Karkhana means Cooperative Sugar Factory. Kasarwada, Walve, Titwe, Admapur, Sonali. These are the nearby villages to Bidri. Bidri is surrounded by Kagal Taluka towards east, Budhargad Taluka towards south, Karvir Taluka towards north, Gaganbawda Taluka towards west. Yes, still the bullock carts are in use for the transport of sugarcane from the agri farm to the sugar factory. That is eco-friendly transport system. Earlier, the wheels of these bullock carts were made of wood and a metallic rim over it. But nowadays, the wheels are normal regular tires. There are separate waiting areas for the trucks, tractors and bullock carts. You have to be in the queue and the sugarcane is weighed and then accepted. This Bidri sugar factory is very old. The first sugarcane crushing was done in the year around 1963-64. Sugar industry is the second largest agro-based industry in the country. Many sugar industries have cogeneration power plants and molasses-based distillery. After you pass by this Bidri sugar factory and travel further, you will reach Mudhal Titta. Mudhal Titta. 3 roads meet at this point, from Kolhapur, from Murgud and towards Gargoti. This is the central bus stand of Gargoti. It is a large area. Gargoti. This is the administrative place of Budhargad Taluka. It is also known as an educational and economic hub of this tehsil. It has various institutions such as Mauni Vidyapith, D.Ed and B.Ed College and Institute of Civil and Rural Engineering. This is the government hospital facility. Gargoti is the main marketplace for adjacent villages and there is a big market to serve all the needs. It serves from vegetables, daily grocery, fancy items, clothing material, ready-made cloth stores, electronic goods, right up to advanced computers and mobiles. Near the main circle, You can quench your thirst and hunger. There are many eating joints, Chinese to the most famous vada pav and tea stalls. Gargoti is a modern town with almost all the facilities. Also, there are some historic places nearby you can visit, and that is not very far. Gargoti is really busy town. The roads are busy. Soon there will be more traffic heading to Goa. Thank you.